Hello everyone, this is Ritika Sharma and in this video we will learn about cloud computing. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services including servers, storage, databases, networking software, analytics and intelligence over the internet. It consists of hardware and software resources made available on the internet as they are managed by the third-party services.
Cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources via the internet, with pay-as-you-go pricing. Instead of buying, owning, and maintaining physical data centers and servers, you can access technology services such as computing power, storage, and databases on an as-needed basis from a cloud provider like Amazon Web Services. Organizations of every type, size, and industry are using the cloud for a wide variety of use cases, such as data backup, disaster recovery, email, virtual desktops, software development and testing, big data analytics, and customer-facing web applications. For example, healthcare companies are using the cloud to develop more personalized treatments for patients. Financial services companies are using the cloud to power real-time fraud detection and prevention. And video game makers are using the cloud to deliver online games to millions of players around the world. With cloud computing, your business can become more agile, reduce costs, instantly scale, and deploy globally in minutes. Cloud computing gives you instant access to a broad range of technologies so you can innovate faster and build nearly anything you can imagine. From infrastructure services such as compute, storage, and databases, to Internet of Things, machine learning, data analytics, and much more. You can deploy technology services in a matter of minutes and get from idea to implementation several orders of magnitude faster than before. This gives you the freedom to experiment and test new ideas to differentiate customer experiences and transform your business, such as adding machine learning and intelligence to your applications in order to personalize experiences for your customers and improve their engagement. You don't need to make large upfront investments in hardware and overpay for capacity you don't use. Instead, you can trade capital expense for variable expense and only pay for IT as you consume it. With cloud computing, you access resources from the cloud in real time as they're needed. You can scale these resources up and down to grow or shrink capacity instantly as your business needs change. Cloud computing also makes it easy to expand to new regions and deploy globally in minutes. For example, Amazon Web Services has infrastructure all over the world, so you're able to deploy your application in multiple physical locations in just a few clicks. Putting applications in closer proximity to end users reduces latency and improves their experience. No matter your location, size, or industry, the cloud frees you from managing infrastructure and data centers so you can focus on what matters most to your business.
Demystifying cloud computing. Cloud computing can take many forms. Cloud computing provides access to and use of computing resources and programs via the internet. The right solution for your business depends entirely on your needs. If it's computing power you're after, Infrastructure as a Service, or IaaS, provides virtualized computing resources. These resources can be in the form of processing power, storage, or networking infrastructure. And depending on your needs, these services can be provided through public, private, or hybrid cloud solutions. So, choosing the right cloud depends entirely on you. Public clouds offer powerful and agile solutions, allowing for high scalability and flexibility. Multiple users share these pools of resources that are maintained, owned, and operated by third-party vendors. A private cloud provides dedicated access to computing resources for a single organization. Private clouds are accessed via a secure private network and can be customized to meet unique business and security needs. giving companies greater control over the infrastructure used. A hybrid cloud is a mix of public and private cloud solutions, allowing companies to use the scalability of public cloud environments when demand increases, without giving third-party data centers access to sensitive data. But cloud computing is not only about scalable computing resources. Software as a service is also a form of cloud-based computing. Here, a third-party provider hosts applications on their infrastructure and makes them available to customers over the internet. Cloud-based cybersecurity is an example of software as a service and is sometimes called security as a service, or CCaaS. This service operates on individual devices without the need for on-premise installation. So, if you're a security as a service user, you're fully protected on all your devices, as the vendor is responsible for maintaining and updating the latest virus and malware profiles. Now that we've demystified cloud computing, let's find the right cloud solution for your business. Whichever clouds you choose, we'll protect them. Visit kas.pr/.
Simple examples of cloud computing are: first one is email. Web-based email services like Gmail and Hotmail deliver a cloud computing services. Banking, financial services. Consumers store financial information to cloud computing service providers. Government, they deliver e-governance services to the citizens using cloud-based IT services. There are some advantages of cloud computing. First one is lower computer cost. It is one of the biggest benefits. It has very low cost and does not need any investment. Increased data reliability. Another important feature of this is you can always get instantly updated. Easily manageable. It is easily manageable. You can run it from anywhere and anytime. All over functioning. Cloud providers operates and manages the network attached hardware and needed for application services. Security. Many cloud providers offer a broad set of policies and controls that strengthen your security overall. Disadvantages of cloud computing are: requires a constant internet connection. It requires a constant internet connection. You can't get your data without having an internet connection. Does not work with low speed connections. You should have high speed connections also. Features might be limited. Its features are also limited, as you can't edit the data, you can just see it. Stored data might not be secure, and stored data can be lost. As you lost the connectivity in middle, your data can be lost. Thank you.